Is your Stripe account stuck in verification limbo because you need the owner's approval? Don't worry. In the next 90 seconds, I'll walk you through exactly how to get that crucial owner sign-off to get your Stripe account up and running smoothly. First, identify the specific verification requirements preventing approval. Stripe's dashboard usually highlights exactly what's missing, such as owner identity verification, business documents, or authorization to use the account. Next, prepare a clear and concise request for the owner. Explain why you need their sign-off for Stripe verification. Specify the exact documents they need to provide or actions they need to take, like uploading a copy of their driver's license or passport, or providing their date of birth and social security number. Then, make it as easy as possible for them. Draft the email with clear instructions and include direct links to the relevant sections within the Stripe dashboard for sensitive information requests. Assure them about Stripe's security measures to protect their data and offer to guide them through the process step by step. Now, follow up politely but persistently. Owners are often busy, so a gentle reminder can make all the difference. If you're still facing roadblocks, consider scheduling a brief meeting to walk them through the requirements and answer any questions they may have. Finally, once the owner provides the necessary information, promptly upload it to Stripe, double-checking for accuracy after submitting. Stripe usually processes the verification within a few business days, so with these steps, you'll conquer Stripe verification and unlock the full potential of your account.